Dr. Singhvi, we talk about the philosophy behind the Places of Worship Act, but when this act was made, and that is what Ms. Anand was also referring to, is that it too has exceptions, because many are talking, and correct me if I'm wrong, of the section 3A, which many say with the exemption of any place of worship referred in the said subsections, which is an ancient and historical monument. On the basis of this, many are arguing, Dr. Singhvi, that either the Gyanvapi nor the temple or the masjid in Mathura come under the Places of Worship Act.
Please pick up section 3. Please read it. Please pick up any notification. Has that been activated for Gyanvapi or for any other structure? Where is the document? Where has that power been exercised? Was there an exemption or an exception which was activated on the date the suit was filed? Let's not fool the people. Just because you mix up with jargon, with legalese, it's a very simple piece of legislation. As far as the properties you are concerned about or talking about are concerned, there is no exemption, no exception, no notification. Therefore, the suit is stillborn. Now, tomorrow, after 10 years, that challenge, legal challenge, some constitutional challenge will succeed. Equally, it may fail. Will you act on a parliamentary act on the basis that it has already succeeded? You will assume what is thought to be proved. So I think, people who are saying all these things also know the truth. They know the legal truth. They also know the political truth. But if you are the governors of this country,
right,
who want to be able to govern with such cauldrons and festering sores across, then, well, good luck to you. You are the one who has to manage it ultimately. You are in the saddle. Think a little ahead.
Right. Dr. Singhvi, the other point that is being raised by many, and I want you to, throw some light on that, is, the Supreme Court asking the administration in Varanasi to ensure the safety of that claimed shivling that has been found near the Wazukhana. Is it in any which way legal recognition of the existence of the shivling inside the mosque, Mr. Singhvi?
That would be a bizarre comment in terms, I'm not saying you are making it, but even the most...
No, sir, I'm not. I'm picking up, all the kind of arguments that are coming in support of it.
The biggest votary, even the biggest votary of ignoring the act will not say that. If they say it on their own peril, and they display their ignorance or understanding of the law. First and foremost, the Supreme Court matter is sub judice, so let's not second guess the Supreme Court. Second, the Supreme Court is an interim order. They've decided nothing. They said so in open court 5 times. That between now and when they hear the matter, they want a stability, and they will therefore compromise and balance both sides. Number 3, the larger issue has to be yet decided, be it by the lower court or the Supreme Court, namely whether, if the act applies, so long as the act applies, so long as the act is not modified or stayed, can this suit at all be maintainable? The last thing they did was recognizing the validity of this, that or the other. That's the last thing they intended to do. They said so in open court. So let's be fair, at least to the Supreme Court, even though you're scoring political points and social points across the spectrum.